back again, live. Yeah, that's a nice park here in the summertime. We do a lot of picnic. Winter time, pretty nice. There's a baseball diamond there, nice. Gary Carter Park. That's for the kids there, for the roller coaster, how you call that? Roller, skateboard. Yeah, skateboard. You don't have the light. You're gonna have to fix that bike path, clean it. My goodness. So much wind. So we're on the blue path, so we're gonna cross the famous bridge. We just came back for a fire. We're gonna want to back up. Yeah, the baseball back for the fall ball. They got a big net. Fall ball. No, fall ball. Turn 10 seconds. Yeah, so that's 5 truck. Not good. They're gonna want to block the traffic. Not good. Not good. C'est bon, il n'y a pas de problème. Bonne journée. Oh, ça va là. Yeah, my friends. 4 seconds, it's our turn. Fast stop. Oh, it's the bus turn. Oh, our turn. Oh, a gyro. A cyclist. Oh my. And the cyclists come by. Okay, she's not coming this way, she's going this way. Oh my. Lots of rocks. Okay, let's try. Imagine so much wind. No, what's the say? No harbor. No harbor. Very windy. much power. Unreal. Well, let's turn around. This way. Good brakes. So that's it, my friends. But for cars, bicycle, don't have to add a new sign for us. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching. Happy riding. Fingers frozen.